How does the Tommy actually work? The Tommy mechanically installs silt fence by slicing through the soil, slightly disrupting but not excavating the soil. It is a dynamic operation where simultaneously the soil is sliced and held open while the moving pivot pushes silt fence to the bottom of the slice. As the Tommy proceeds, soil falls against the fabric. When the run is completed, a helper cuts the fabric and the power unit turns around and wheel compacts the soil around the fabric. Either a tractor or heavy skid steer with tracks can be used to pull the Tommy. We recommend a 30 horsepower utility tractor with four-wheel drive and a loader as the most versatile vehicle to operate around a construction site. Category 2 tractors will work, but their size can limit access to some areas. Mechanical installation provides consistent, quality results. The unique vertical hinge enables you to turn corners and maneuver around obstacles on every construction site. And the top-link hydraulic cylinder enables you to follow the terrain and changes in slope on the site. You can easily and properly install silt fence in many more locations than is possible with a trencher or blade. As a contractor, versatility with equipment on site is extremely important. Trenchers are extremely one-dimensional. Since slicing only disrupts the soil, you can easily compact the soil back against the fabric with the wheel of your power unit. Compacted soil resists water saturation and wind pressures, virtually eliminating washouts. Loose soil pushed into a trench or just pushed up against silt fence is easily saturated and washed out, rendering your silt fence worthless. Posts are then spread out at custom intervals. In areas of little stress, where the fence is primarily diverting water, 7 to 8 foot intervals are recommended. At an area where water will concentrate, we recommend intervals as short as 4 foot. Silt fence sliced into the soil will hold water, so posts become much more important in a proper installation. Posts should be installed 24 inches deep where they will be holding water. Shallow posts will not hold the weight of a full silt fence. We have found several acceptable methods of installing posts. The traditional heavy pipe with a plug on the end works well for 400 to 800 foot projects, but is tough on your labor. We have also utilized an air-driven driver for large projects. Yet another alternative is the loader on your power unit, which often works pretty well. On steel posts, we recommend 3 plastic cable ties, 50-pound strength per steel post. This will generally hold up and give you a safety margin. On wood posts, we have used a short lath to help support the fabric on the post and a staple gun equipped with an explosive gas, thus eliminating compressors and hoses. One we know about is Impulse Stapler by Pass Load Manufacturing. The Tommy is now working all over the country and in Canada. We have accepted and defeated the challenge. It won't work in our rocky hard soils for many contractors who now own a Tommy and are very happy. No, it won't go through solid rock, but if there's some soil to work with, the Tommy will work with the proper power unit.